Here I am, sneaking around the corner, trying not to trip and fall. And he's put in some of the last blocks. And oh boy, is this deep here. So a lot of the rocks, they're down in the circular pit, will be brought up and put in here as backfill. And if you were really smart and everything was coming out the way it's supposed to come out, which it rarely does, this you would have filled up in there as you were building the wall, or you would have put the rocks up on this wall up here, and then you would have just had to haul them down. It's just a trick on wall building. But it's looking good.
Didn't get a lot done today. Just too hot. I did put the toppers on. They're glued. So far everything that has been cut to fit has been glued. I did glue a couple more steps. Those that I glued the other day, no more clacking. They are in place. Mainly what we have left to do now is cut the toppers out for the steps wall. And there's only a few of those to be cut. Tomorrow we get the dirt, and I will start bringing the dirt down. Rob will be over probably Saturday morning, and we will get the rest of the dirt. And again, we are hoping that we have enough to fill in these 4 areas. The reason why the dirt settles a lot is it goes in between the blocks that are a V shape, along with going down behind the wall and into the holes of the blocks. And we are sure seeing it on the other side. We have 7 scoops, or 7,000 pounds more dirt coming tomorrow. Sounds like a lot, but it probably is not enough. Looks like we have a few more tomatoes to be brought in. Not very big this year. But there is lots of them. Good for salads, that's about it. And we'll leave those 2 for later. And looks like we might have another one here. They're not quite ready, very close. But I think we have one here that we can take. And we'll leave that one. And they're not quite ready. Not quite. Because it's been so hot, even the zinnias don't like it. And as you can see, because we have been next door, this yard has just gone to pot. Weeds galore. So we're hoping, wrapping up the wall this weekend, we can start out here and get some of this mess cleaned up.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.